So hey everyone, hi. So this is the time to stop using the .env file from your Node.js. Now you might be thinking, or if you take a simple example like what I've done, let me just take you back to my code. Also, if you see here, what I've done is I've imported the .env package. This is how you usually do, right? And then you start the server, and what I've done from my env file, I've written the name .cinderella, whatever, and I can write it Cinderella Man also. But anyways, so I started the server at 3000 port. Okay, now as you can see, it's loading things from the this package that is around 6.9k gzip to 3k. Now if I want to remove this, right, I don't want to use this anymore. So starting from node version 20.6, so what I do is uh, things got sorted. So let me just show you what currently version I'm using. So I'm currently using, okay, 20 point this 5.1, right? So starting from this version, things got like starting point to 20.6, things got quite sorted here. So what I will do is, instead of using this anymore, I will just remove this. I don't want to use this anymore. But before that, what I will do is I will just eh, update the version to 20.6.0, or you can update it to any version. Just to let you know, I'm using nvm here. So if you don't know what nvm is, I will put the link in the description, so you can just directly go here and you can just run these two commands and make it, what I say, final. You can add the path, and that's it. Well, I have upgraded my, what I say, to go to my code here again. As you can see, my code has been npm has been upgraded. So what I do, I just do a node v here again. As you can see, it's 20.6.0. Well, now what I do is I go to my env file. I've written the name as Cinderella. Now I will just write it man, Cinderella Man. I don't know why. I think I've heard this song somewhere. Cinderella Man, whatever. Okay. Now what I do is I go to my app.js. Now this time without any, without any this. What I will do is, let's go back to this. I will type node. Now here I have to load my env file. So I will do env comma file is equals to, and I will write dot env, and then I will write the file name which we used to do. And now if I hit enter, now as you can see, the server has started. And now let's go back to the 3000, and as you can see, woohoo, I've refreshed and I can get the Cinderella Man directly. So you don't have to install .env anymore. So if you are using this, say bye bye to it, and yeah, you can use it by default from Node version itself. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit a like and comment below if you have anything to comment. Yeah. So see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.